In this video, I'm going to make it real simple for you to build your brand new PC. I'm going to start you off with installing the CPU. Then installing 32 gigs of DDR5. Then we're going to go over installing an M.2 SSD, but better yet, we're going to install two M.2 SSDs. Then I'm going to show you how to install a liquid cooling unit, install all of this inside of your case, install a regular SSD, then how to install a power supply, a graphics card, and then I'm going to show you how to cable your entire system to make it look beautiful. Now, this is a short. If you want to catch the entire thing, check it out on my YouTube channel, This Bytes For You.